welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And in today's video I will be guiding you how to log into ADP employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with, and on the search URL type in adp.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to the official website of ADP. Now, in order to log into your employee account, head over to the upper right corner of this interface. There you will get sign in button. Click over there and you will land on sign in portal. From here, you have to select an option that describes you best. For that, click on this arrow button. A drop down menu will pop up. Now, in order to log into your employee account, you will get three options at the very first, that is your employee account. Now select the one that you would like to log in with your account. If you are a current employee, then click on current employee uses ADP. After you do that, click on next, and on the next page, first of all, you have to enter your user ID. Make sure you enter valid and correct user ID. You want to save your user ID on your desktop. For the next time you try to log into your account, click on this empty box that says remember my user ID. And in case you forgot your user ID, click on this link that says forget your user ID, and that will help you to recover your ID. Now once you're done typing in your ID, click on next button, and on the next step you have to enter your password linked with your account. So enter the correct password, and once you're done, click on sign in button, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your account. So that's how you can log into ADP employee account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.